How to transfer USDT from Bitget to Binance on PC. Now first of all, open the Bitget website and make sure to log into your account. Head over to your wallet here, as you can see. Now click on withdraw. Now after that, as you can see, we'll be able to see this page. Now from here, search for the USDT that you want to send. Now after that, click on it. Now here, set the network as the BIP20, as you can see. Now you need to withdrawal address. Go to your Binance account. As you can see, head over to deposit and click on it. Now click on deposit crypto. And as you can see here, search for the USDT that you want to receive. After that, click on it. And here, set the network as you set it on Bitget. In this case, it will be BIP20. Now wait a few seconds. As you can see, this is our address. Now copy it. Now go back to Bitget and paste it here. Now after that, click on next. And as you can see here, you set the amount that you want to send. And here you can click on withdraw. So because I don't have any fund on my account, I can be able to complete the process. So for you, click on withdraw and you will be able to send the USDT from Bitget to Binance. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.